mashallah, enjoy the beauty of the environment. I'm standing in a place which is surrounded by mountains from all sides, beautiful mountains, and there are trees all around. Peach orchards are there, and this is a bypass road, a link road, and it is beautifully been built. So mashallah, great feeling. Cool breeze also blowing around. People, they have come out for walk and for different physical activities, and they are also enjoying the great environment. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, everyone.